Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure Koloro is updated and camera permission is granted. Once ready, position your device about 6-12 inches from the QR, use steady lighting, and align the code inside the on-screen guide. As the app detects the pattern, you'll see a subtle animation. This confirms a clean read. If scanning fails, slightly adjust angle and distance rather than moving randomly. Continue when you see the confirmation to proceed to the next step. Once Koloro reads the QR, you'll be prompted to authenticate or verify the content type. You should sign in if required. Doing so links the QR action to your account and unlocks tracking. Next, check the payload, whether it's a link, profile, or campaign, and edit metadata like title, expiration, and tracking toggles. Make deliberate choices for redirects and UTM tags. These affect analytics. When you finish configuring, tap Save and preview the resulting action. Now publish your configured QR and immediately validate it on a separate device or browser to confirm the final destination and permissions. You should monitor analytics over the next 24-48 hours to ensure clicks and conversions appear as expected. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and retest, then reissue the QR if the problem persists. Also check for network or firewall blocks on the destination. Once validated, share widely and keep an eye on performance metrics for optimization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.